Have you ever wondered just how complex the world of bees, hornets, and other flying creatures is? Let's embark on a journey into this buzzing realm, a place of intrigue and wonder. Bees, these tiny architects of nature, play an indispensable role in pollination, helping our world to flourish with plants and flowers. Within their colonies, there's an intricate hierarchy. Worker bees, drones, and the queen bee, each with their unique roles and responsibilities. Speaking of the queen, her mating ritual is a spectacle in itself, a dance of nature that ensures the survival of the colony. Now let's consider hornets. They're often maligned for their aggressive nature, but there's more to these creatures than meets the eye. Hornets are actually skilled pest controllers, using their hunting prowess to keep other pesky insects at bay. Indeed, these often overlooked creatures lead lives that are far more captivating than we give them credit for. But why should we care about these tiny creatures, you might ask? Well, these buzzing beings are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem, performing tasks that are vital to our survival. The flowers that bloom in our gardens, the fruits that grace our tables, and the coffee that kickstarts our mornings all owe their existence to these industrious pollinators. Yet it's not just about the food we eat. They are also the sentinels of our crops, controlling pests that could cause untold damage to our agricultural bounty. However, these heroes face grave threats. Their habitats are shrinking due to deforestation and urbanization. Pesticides, instead of protecting them, are poisoning them. If their populations continue to decline at this alarming rate, our planet's health will be at stake. So let's give a thought to these buzzing creatures, who, despite their size, shoulder an enormous responsibility. As we can see, without these buzzing creatures, our world would be a very different place. Are all these creatures as dangerous as we believe them to be? It's time to debunk some myths. You might have heard that all bees meet their end after one sting. This is true for honeybees, but bumblebees and others can sting multiple times without consequence. And what about hornets? Those creatures we dread for their deadly sting? Actually, most hornets are not as lethal as we imagine. They generally only attack when provoked or when their nest is threatened. Now let's talk about bees and wasps. They might look similar, but their behaviors are quite different. Bees, those fuzzy, friendly creatures, are typically less aggressive than their wasp counterparts. They're more interested in pollination than confrontation. Wasps, on the other hand, can be more territorial and aggressive, especially when it comes to their nests. So next time you see a bee or a hornet, remember, they're not out to get you. They're simply going about their business, playing a crucial role in our world.